Hello mga kabibes. Good afternoon. So we're here to one of the market. So let's see what we are going to eat. So far look, we got the sausages there. So it's like, and this one. Mung din pancake. Okay. So let's go inside the market. Okay, let's go.
Mga information sa
At least mayroon silang ano, for information daw. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Ginseng. Where's the cup? 10 grand. One. Oh wow. That's it. Oh, okay. And then you put some. You personalize it really. That's very good.
Yung iba ng vlogger nga mango. Ayan o, masarap yung kami. Hindi siya dried and parang candy na mango.
The market.
Can you cross it tomorrow?
Ay, market yan na may
Specialized.
may honey
Glasses daw.
Try,
Oo.
bili ka ako na isa, try natin. Golden sweet potato. Ha?
Ayan.
take away pala. Ano ba naman kakainin yan?
Pwede kainin sa
Dito,
ano?
walang kanin.
Oh. Yan, isang ganyan kahit. Oh.
13,000 matatim.
Ay, only take away pala yan eh.
Hindi baka meron sila sa loob.
Meron din sa loob, merong...
take away yung sa cup.
Yung take away yun.
Dito na tayo kakain naman yan. Ganun din naman yun sa atin banda eh. Meron din ganun.
Maaga pa.
Maaga pa.
Hindi, baka sa mga muna o tulabat ng mga street.
Isa lang, para hindi natin naubos yan.
Okay, Mali, let's get another. Mali, I'm gonna get some. Just one. We'll get one. This one.
Honey seed of golden sweet potato.
Hindi lang ang golden eh. Honey seed lang, honey seed pero. So there's two choices.
Very hot. Be careful.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, hot money. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Ay,
감사합니다.
cash.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, how much is it?
Ano flavor na din nga?
How much?
2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honey seed.
Okay, isa. There's only one.
One, okay. Honey seed one.
Honey seed, yeah.
Okay. Very, very hot.
Very hot, honey.
Yeah, good money though. Yeah. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네, 안녕하세요. 네, 감사합니다.
Mommy, try this.
It's very hot.
Yeah, very hot. Wait. Okay then. 1.5. 1.5. Okay na rin, no? 1 piece, 2 piece. You can order more than 2 pieces. A piece. Ito, jumbo strain, 2.5.
Hindi ba yung bot?
No.
Namit? Kanina mainit.
So,
I want picture. Gusto na lubat na kugo.
Okay. Look,
What's that flavor?
the honey bit.
Honey seed.
Too hot. Yeah.
Sweet. It's just like the honey.
And then fish ball.
Fish bowl.
What?
Just only one. Right, so when you're going to order, you're going to fry it. And then
Papa,
5.5.
Kapokilimo.
Is it like this? Ah, ito na sauce.
Okay.
Ah, spray like that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So I got the coins here.
Uy, nagkaluan pa ko na.
5,000. Is that one? Yeah. Okay. So, ayan na, nag-order na. Aha. Kinao na. Aha. Aha. So, let's try this.
Dapat nilagay mo bukas ito, no?
Ganito. Mm. Pwede.
What's this flavor?
I don't know.
Like that too, ha? Nice, no? Sarap.
Aha. They're slicing it already. Yeah. Yan sa
Marami ta.
yung samita. Sabi
Ganun na
dali.
kumain. Ito
Ano yun?
yung tinanong. Tinanong ko yung isa.
Samita,
Ito naman,
kasi-
ginaganon.
Gabi na ano, masarap medyo ang
Mhm.
Ay, hindi tumanghang. Ah, hindi tumanghang yung amin.
Okay. Sorry, take it hold. Okay.
Ay, ma, ito oh.
So we'll try this.
Kumain na ako.
Still hot. Still hot.
Kakasan na biyo, utang ko da.
That's it. Tambal man, describe mo man kung anong kalasa.
Isda.
Sa ikaw. Oh.
It's fish ball. Ini siya fish ball, fish flat.
May cornling nga agad. Wala ka parang...
Yeah.
This one is the rolled seaweed. Rolled seaweed. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Alam, una na kayo. Diyan, mag-ikot-ikot.
Wow. Like, it's very crunchy. The seaweed.
Init?
But I think
Una kayo ang init.
the one inside is like a noodle.
Ikot-ikot ako.
It's like noodles. It's like noodles.
Is it?
Jay, try the seaweed. Smells.
It's too hot.
Maybe in a few minutes.
Dami nila.
Dagdag na karon ha?
Is yan allowed to?
We'll try this. What's this?
But then we go inside. No?
That's a good chili. We'll try this.
Kalau niya mas kaya siya, dala ko sa inyo, ang lamot sa ang gamot.
Push them cola.
You eat the tail or not?
Yeah. Ganun na tayo.
So,
Şunlardan istiyorsun galiba sen.
sumasunod to?
Eski geleneksel
Galing kay dire na mag baka ka to darita.
ama sos da koymuş. Olmayanlar da var.
So let's go to the other one. But this one is very chilly. It's very nice. Yeah. So let's go to the other food store. Yeah. So we still got the one. Let's keep it in.
Nani?
Aha. This one the... Oh. Dapat... What is it? What is it?
Kimchi.
Ah, kimchi soup out. Kimchi dan. Okay. Aha. Ito, kitang kita eh. Oh, i-view mo naman sa inyo. What is it?
Oo, may konting anghang. Ayun.
Mas maganda pag may maahan kasi may ano.
Eh, may puto.
Ah.
Bread daw favorite.
Okay. That's it. Describe what the taste.
Spicy.
Spicy. Spicy lang daw. Sumurod na siya. Pag 10, 8,000. 4.
Steam na naman sila. Wala na. Ano? Fridge magnet. Ha? Fridge magnet.
Okay. So it's a kimchi bash, yeah? How is it?
Makes you want to eat it in one bite.
Okay. So one bite or one? Okay. Put on some juice. Coffee. Hot dog, coffee. Cold, coffee, the ice. Oh, ice with you? Soup.
Doing anything tomorrow?
Oh, baby, this over here is 1.5. Yeah. Ten plus 1. But it's not really good. Feeling Korean. Black box. Okay.
Ayun, egg maca.
Oh.
Okay, I see the stick.
This is Ivan signature. Porridge. The porridge.
Porridge.
Yeah. I
Porridge.
think this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go it. We come over here, so let's go. May ito din eh? Okay. Dito na lang tayo. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's very good. It's storage. So,
Puro ko tunga lang. Tunga lang.
Okay.
Gusto ko ng bulgogi.
okay.
Ano yung laging ko? Ano yan? Porridge.
Ay, Sorry. Thank you. Tapos na. Busog. Hindi, ubos sa'yo ni. Puro busog.
Palo na.
Ano masarap dito?
Yung special.
Saan?
What? Did you buy that? Can I see?
It's
Are you gonna give him
sa friend daw niya.
for Eric?
Yeah, because he likes Pokemon.
Okay, one.
This is the one he wants because I searched it.
Oh, that's good. Is that your birthday gift?
So let's see.
Maybe. Just because they want to bring some stuff from Japan.
So we ordered the abalone. Abalone. The soft tofu and soft tofu and Korean beef. That's the one. The abalone. And what did you order, mine?
Ang rice lang po.
What is
Bulgogi
it?
is two.
Bulgogi. Where is it?
Joshua little is two rice.
Bulgogi.
Bulgogi
Where is it?
stew and pato.
This one. Okay. Alright, let's see. Okay, so they're serving now. So mommy got the bulgogi first. Bulgogi. Wow. What's this?
순두부.
That's beef, yeah?
It's a spicy sauce mix.
Okay.
That's nice. Yeah, so this is the tofu beef.
Yeah, the tofu beef.
It's nice.
Tofu beef. So they got the things over there. Ngakit mo tayo dito.
This is abalone.
This abalone. Wow. Abalone. Wow. And Tristan, what you got?
Try.
Fried rice.
This one. Oh, yung Philippine. What you got?
Vegetable.
Wow. Seafood.
Seafood. Vegetable.
Wow. So we got the abalone.
You wanna try this warm soup?
Yeah, I think we got one. That's mine. Okay. This abalone. Okay. 감사합니다. Okay. It's okay. So they got this kimchi. What's this, baby?
Let me find out. Maybe it's gonna. Stir-fried kimchi.
Yeah.
Sea-sail medium ramen. I don't know.
No, this is ramyun. And this was the spicy one.
Instead of
And the abalone.
maybe it's pork belly.
Maybe.
Oh,
Okay, we'll
it's
try
a
the...
beef. I think.
It's a beef. Let's try their sabaw first. Yeah. This is vinegar, baby. And this is not hot. It's a cold one. So we'll try this one first without anything. The pure one. Okay, hirap mo daw puro.
Bakit may ganito? Iba ko yung kanin ko. Hindi ko alam bakit may ganito ako. Put it in a pot. You want some
Wow,
of
this
this?
is a
You
lot.
wanna try?
Yeah. How about this one? Memi, abalone, you can get, I will give you some as well, yeah?
Oh, this is ano sa tanghon.
Okay.
Wala is na.
I don't understand.
Here.
Ano na?
I'll try it without understand. Radio station.
Duma daw.
And you can try to cut it.
Luwa ka muna.
Diyos, tuwa sa pinigilin ka muna.
Yes, the abalone.
Anak ang bulgogi.
try some kimchi.
Ito init.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the dalgona.
Shock ako sa init.
Mm.
We can try dalgona.
Yeah.
Nakaso ang dila.
Good. This is the bologna porridge. Porridge. Mm. Mm. Wow. But it's light. It's like, that's why you need to put a little bit of salt. Yeah? A little bit of salt
Just naman sang umero.
and some tapa.
Nice juice. This is that.
And we do this because it's too hot. Kasi yung bowl pala nila is like, is deep. Huh? The bowl is like this. It's deep.
This is a convenience store they went. Squid Game. Season 1. Hello.
See you.
That's where they eat in the rain. Hello. Just spicy. This one is spicy. I don't know this one, but that one's spicy.
Sarap ng rice.
So I believe the purpose of this one, because this is one is cold one, because we're supposed to, I thought this a warm one. So if your food is too hot, yeah, you have to have this to cool it down. Have some of this, the porridge abalone. Abalone is very nice. That's it. Very nice. Very nice combo. So we try the bulgogi.
Wala naman ka. Wala
Bulgogi.
naman.
Then I'll just do this Squid Game one today.
Akala ko ba niya ba mag-boat? Hindi.
I think bulgogi is nice. Yeah. The flavor.
Hindi. May nakita ko sa tatlong, ano bang 17?
I think it's very nice. I think it's very nice.
Ito at tatlo.
But the abalone is too hot.
Okay. So right.
Seems that the creaminess is different. Anyway, this is the first time I tasted the abalone. So we'll put some
Sarap.
chili.
You like it? What flavor is yours, just?
Beef tofu. So it tastes like
Try
beef.
this
Tastes like
one.
tofu.
I think this is the left. This is the beef, baby, or yeah. So you put the one.
Ang init talaga.
Okay.
Hindi ko makamuon, nakainit.
So I think this is the time to finish the vlog. In what market is it?
Damon Market.
So this is the
Damon
Namdamon Market.
Market.
Yeah. When we are on Sutbub Sudjuk rice porridge. Okay? So don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Oh yeah, you know the
Bye-bye.